Alright, so hey everyone, I'm Hari, and I basically built an MCP server that allows you to search the internet for other MCP servers and return the best MCP for a given task. For example, let's say I'm looking for MCP servers that can help me build my own database and update it. So I can just give a prompt saying that let's say I want to find the best MCP servers to my build a database and perform CRUD operations, and I'm going to instruct it to use MCP. So what happens here is, so currently I have only one MCP enabled, which is my MCP search server. All the other MCPs are disabled so that you know that it's only going to use my server. So yeah, so now I'm also giving it an instruction at the end of my prompt to use MCPs, and I'll go ahead and run this. And then you can see it's calling different functions that are present within my MCP. So essentially it's going to call, let's say, the search MCP tool. So it's going to find 10 different results, and the query it's going to look for is database access and CRUD operations, and it will go through a couple of more functions that are present in my MCP server until it lands the list of different MCP servers, and it'll give you a recommendation starting from the best going up to the the last option. So yeah, so here it's so my MCP server currently has 5 functions, and so initially it performed a search. Now it's going to get some MCP details. It's going to get the URL so that it can present you with the URL as well, so that you can directly navigate and go to that MCP. Right, next it's performing the search MCPs operation again to find the next MCP, I believe. So it's going to give you a list of MCPs, so it's going to go through each of them and get each of their details. As for the code itself, this is what the code looks like. So it was essentially built on top of the Exa API. So Exa is basically an excellent tool. I would say right now it's probably even better than Perplexity. So you can, I've tried a couple of experiments doing this with SERP API, Perplexity as well, but I felt like Exa gave the best results. And currently my MCP server has 5 tools. So MCP tool. So yeah, so fine. Let's start with the first one. So first one is the basic search MCP. Second one is getting the MCP details like URL. Third one allows you to find similar MCP. Now you can also ask like it can ask questions related to MCP to find additional information. Uh, and then yeah, it can also categorize the different MCPs based on what is the based on their use case. So here you can see that the MCP is given the result. So it is basically initially searched, then got some details, and it's again search, 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 and finally these are the final results that you get. So it's found the Postgres MCP server, so that seems to be the best and most complete tool that I'm looking for. And here I can just click this link, and it should probably take me to the um, the the GitHub repository with the MCP tool. So I can go ahead and open up another one. So yeah, so it returns the best possible MC. So it does a little bit of NLP to find out which one has the most, the best keywords, and does a little bit of keyword matching. Essentially, you can think of it um, like the Google for MCPs. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Make sure to check out MCP Search Server. It's an open source GitHub repository, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.